amazing trailer of Avatar World together. The girl sleeps in a beautiful room, and this is what she dreams about. A huge water park with lots of stuff. A fountain in the shape of a big whale. The girl is clearly happy about it. Look at the big water slides here. Similar to the American ones, I would be scared to go there. But I would gladly go to a small children's pool like this because I definitely wouldn't drown there. There will also be some funny costumes of sharks, killer whales, seals, and we will be able to take pictures in them, which will be a lot of fun. After such a wonderful dream, the girl wakes up and sees a brochure with a picture of a water park in her basket. Look how huge this water park is. It's bigger than a furniture store. It feels like it's going to be the biggest location in the game. Jossie, you completely forgot that there are new clothes in the clothing store. I strongly recommend you to go there.
Bruh.
Rocky, do you think again that I don't see you behind that cube? You're wrong, but I'll pretend that I don't notice you. What's wrong with this outfit? Why is one sleeve missing? Is this a defect? I like these heart-shaped glasses the most so far, and I only have one pink sock. Do I look like a homeless girl who has no money for clothes? Write in the comments if you like this outfit. It is definitely not ordinary compared to the previous ones. Thanks! Jossie, there's a funny bug. Get a baby and put an emoji. Then make him walk or crawl and carry him, and he will dance in a funny way. Look, I look like Spider-Man. It would be cool to be him.
Hello everyone, my name is Bubble.
Let's now try to dance with this baby in our arms. We did everything, as in the comment. Wow, we have a real disco. We don't even need to go to a dance club. It looks like the baby didn't like it very much. He probably got dizzy because he was constantly turning over. Friends, aren't you ashamed? You see the king of the dance floor in front of you? Make room for me. Now I'll show you a real dance.
Poor child, he's going to throw up. How does he put up with it?
I would never agree to dance on Jossie's arms like that.
It seems that they are not delighted with my dance. Well, then someone else will enjoy it. Thanks. Go to the pet store and get the glue. Then go to the principal's office at school and get the party popper. And you can make candy piñatas. And then grab the wooden sword and you can hit it. The firecracker is in this safe, which means we need to find the key and open it. Now I'm like Pinocchio. I have a golden key. How does it open? Do I have to pull this
Bruh.
Don't worry. If you ruined the cracker, you just need to re-enter the location. Hello, girl. Do you know where the glue is? I need glue.
I heard someone say that the glue is in a tin can, but I don't know what that means.
I don't really believe that someone would store glue in such a place. It's very strange, but let's open it. We were not deceived. Let's now try to make the first toy from this cracker. Beautiful bear. Do I understand correctly that we will need to get a new firecracker every time to make a new toy? Look at this girl. It feels like she's sitting on a pony, but in reality, it's an illusion. You can use this life hack, and now I want to do something. Hi, cleaner. I brought myself a cool gift. Look how big it is.
Thanks, Jossie. No one ever gives me presents, only mops and rags. But how do I open it? For some reason, I can't.
In that case, I have a plan B. Wait here. Now I'll show this cleaner who he's dealing with. Defend yourself. Don't expect mercy from me.
What are you doing? Stop attacking me with a sword. This is not a toy. Thank you, Jossie, for so many sweets. I haven't lost all my teeth yet, so I can eat them.
I also want to give you this cap. I feel a little sorry that I broke all the toys with a sword for so many sweets, but I love chocolates. But I have questions about this firework. Why is it twerking on the floor and doesn't want to fly? Thanks. Jossie, you always ignored me. Please check this one. I find a new bug. Take a skateboard and then go into the train. Sit on any sit and you will see a bug. I haven't been down to the train station or the metro for a long time, so now is the time. Now I have a skateboard instead of legs. I can literally roll instead of walking. Brilliant invention.
What? Strange girl. I think I'll move away.
Girl, maybe you'll calm down and start walking normally on your feet like before?
No way, Granny. Be jealous in silence. You're not as young as me, so you can't do that. Taking this opportunity, I want to show you one cool secret on the train that you probably didn't know about. To do this, you need to turn off all the lights. Grandma, this colorful thing that doesn't let you see suits you very well, but I hope no one wants to rob you when I'm gone. Thanks. Jossie, I want to tell you a secret. If you give a blue passport to an old gray-haired man on the island, he will give you a basket of goodies. We will need this bouquet to get a passport. You will see later why. Now we have a wrench with which we will open the hatch where the passport is. I'm happy to exchange this unnecessary passport for a basket of cool things. So let's go to the old man. Stop waving at me. Give me the gift quickly. I gave you a passport.
But you gave me the wrong passport. Why do I need it? I need another one.
Sorry, madam with the red hair, but I'm taking your passport.
But that's a completely different matter. Get a basket.
Thanks for the basket, but what should I do with the other passport now? I think I need to give it to its owner. It's you! The same girl from the passport! Yes, it's definitely you.
Oh yes, you're right, it's me.
We were able to figure out all the passports, so be careful not to mix them up. There are several passports in this game. Thanks. Jossie, make the animals jump on the trampoline, take the trampoline in your hand, and put yourself in the phone. Then take it out and see what a funny bug it turns out to be. Let's do it this way, as it was written in the comment. Look, the animals are standing in a pyramid. Everything rests on just one rabbit. This is some kind of real circus. I really like this bug. Thanks. Jossie, did you know that if you start dancing on the mats on the stage with the unicorn and then change the stage, you can dance anywhere without the mats? Look, I'm dancing a couple dance with a unicorn. Now let's try another dance mat and dance with the monkey. Write in the comments which dance did you like better, with a unicorn or with a monkey. Personally, I like both. Thanks. Jossie, stand with your skateboard at the bus stop and do some movement. You will get stuck in the ground. What? Of course, it's fun here. I don't really want to get stuck underground. Maybe a van will pass, and what will happen to me? By the way, where's the skateboard? Sorry. I hope this girl is not hurt, because I was standing right on her feet. Thanks. Thank you for watching. Write your comments under this video if you want to get into the next video, and also watch my previous video. I'm sure you'll definitely like it.